If you're an Apple user, you'll most likely have a few devices that still have a Lightning port. My first generation AirPods Pro still use Lightning, as does my 10.5-inch iPad Pro. And if you have an iPhone 14 or earlier, they'll be Lightning too. In my household, we still have several iPhone 11s and iPhone 12, all with legacy Lightning ports. Apple has finally switched to the ubiquitous USB-C for their more recent devices. And pretty much any bit of modern tech you buy now has USB-C. But if your older Apple devices are still working fine, there's no reason to upgrade just to get a USB-C port. With a capable portable charger or wall charger, you can fast charge these previous generation iPhones and iPads. But you'll need to use a USB-C to Lightning cable, and these aren't cheap, especially genuine Apple ones. And more importantly, it's awkward having to always carry one of these cables just for your older Apple devices. These inexpensive USB-C to Lightning adapters off Amazon attach to any USB-C cable and let you quickly switch between Lightning and USB-C in seconds. They only weigh a few grams and come with a lanyard that slips onto a USB-C cable, so you've always got it with you. What's more, they support fast charging, just like an original Apple USB-C to Lightning cable. Charging my iPad Pro, which supports fast charging up to 30 watts, I get similar results using my genuine Apple USB-C to Lightning cable and one of these cheap adapters. I checked charging speeds using this USB analyzer and my Anker Prime portable charger that supports USB power delivery up to 140 watts. Using both the Apple cable and the adapter, the voltage jumped up to 15 volts, and I got up to 2 amps, or between 25 and 30 watts. Using an old-style USB-A to Lightning cable, you'll be limited to slow charging at only 12 watts. With the latest iOS 18, your smartphone will tell you if it's slow charging. If I then switch to using this adapter with a USB-C cable, you can now see it charging at full speed. I tested the adapter with multiple USB-C power delivery chargers and cables, and it worked perfectly. One of my favourite chargers is the Anker Nano, which I usually carry with me. It's only 30 watts, but it'll still fast charge many devices, including my smartphone, tablet and drones, and has an integrated cable, which means you've always got a cable to hand. And it still has a USB-C port and a USB-A port. I did have to get a little creative storing the adapter, but it works fine. You just need to detach it from the lanyard to make it easier to use in some instances. Nothing is perfect, and the adapter does double the size of your connector, which can be a little cumbersome. I'd like to see a right angle version, which would help. I did also have one adapter that stopped working after a few months, which isn't great, so maybe also carry a spare if this will be your only charging option. Probably the biggest issue to be aware of is these adapters do have electronics inside them that consume a small amount of power, so don't leave them connected to your portable battery packs. I measured their idle use at just over 0.2 watts, so if you left it connected to this Anker Nano fully charged, you'd completely drain its 36 watt-hour battery in just over a week. I tried some other adapters too, including this one with a built-in display that shows exactly what speed you're charging at, so you can check if your device is in fact fast charging. It's a little larger and doesn't include a lanyard, but it didn't draw more power than the basic adapter, and its power measurement was pretty accurate too. Overall, I'd say these adapters are an almost essential purchase for most Apple users. I have them on the end of several USB cables around the house and carry a few with me when I'm out and about. I'll have links to the exact adapters I purchased down below, and I'll link to my current favourite portable charger for my drones, phones, earbuds and tablet, which works great with these adapters. As always, if you have any questions, please ask. I read every comment and will do my best to respond. I do hope you found this video useful. Please like the video if you did. I'm releasing videos every week on the latest technology and how to get the most out of it, so please make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to tap the bell icon if you want to get notified as soon as a new video gets uploaded. Thanks for watching.